Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, just hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of content coming. Give it some time. I've been patiently waiting. I kind of ordered a new car. I've been waiting since April of last year, 2024. It is now 2025. Should be getting the car any day now to the next month. So I've been told, don't know. I just know what I've been told from the dealership. But on that note, I decided to show you guys. Apparently I wasn't the winner, but I ordered some clothing from Speed Society. I'm always ordering different car clothing. I don't get any referrals. I don't have any like special codes, but I just love wearing different car brands, trying out their clothing, letting you, my fellow car enthusiasts and other people, kind of know the clothing, the quality, if it's worth the price or not. Plus the price is, you know, debatable considering depending on what you get and what you like, because again, you know, you're not just paying for the shirt, you're paying for what's on the shirt, the branding, the style, you know, the name. So I got 4 random shirts and a hoodie. Now, this is an extra large. I like wearing stuff baggy. I would normally wear a medium to large sweatshirt, but again, I like mine kind of baggier. These do fit kind of big, as you can see how wide that is, but like I said, I like mine kind of baggy. But as you can see right here, right there, fast as, I'll just leave it at that because, you know, YouTube, I don't want to be censored, but that is on the back of it. So there's a plain hoodie with that on it. I'm sure my daughter will steal it, but the larger it is, the lower the chances are for stealing it. That's the other reason why I'll get an extra large instead of a large or medium, because large or medium, she will end up wearing it. Extra large, she might, but I doubt it. The next shirt is going to be the Speed Society right here, and it is short sleeve and it is just their normal Speed Society, like the camo green. I like to call it a camo green because this is similar to the color when I was in the Marine Corps. A little bit lighter, but I really like the style of the shirt. Hence why I picked it out. I might buy some more of their shirts coming down the road. I also got that because I got matching shorts, which I'll show you in a second. So the blue, again, the fast as boy. I'm going to leave out the, you know, cuss words just because love that. Love the style. And this is a medium. Actually, no, I'm sorry, this is a large. So large. That way if it shrinks down a little bit, because I'm in between a medium and a large, I'm starting to become a big boy, I guess. I'll own to it. And then the final thing is some shorts, because I'm always lounging around the house. Might as well have, you know, the matching Speed Society shorts with the shirt. Little camo. The Speed Society. And I think it's worth it. I think the quality of them, it is a thicker material. The shirts are the standard, a little bit thick, but not like too thick. You know, kind of your standard store-bought t-shirt. But yeah, what do you think? What else should I get? Guesses on what kind of car I'm getting. And those of you that already know, because I've hinted on my Facebook page and stuff like that, you know, don't give it away. But those that have no idea, just take your guess down below. But then again, I might be posting videos soon. I ordered full carbon fiber body pieces for it already, interior, exterior, the whole 9 yards. That should be coming the end of the February. So within the next couple months, I should have the car, should have full custom everything already on it, cold air intake. The only thing I have to order is exhaust and LED lighting, and then I'm going to be set. I don't think I'll do any more for the near future, but then again, who knows. But again, comment below what you think of the clothing, and check out all these other YouTube videos. I have a ton of them, and take care. Bye.